One of the world's greatest investors, Warren Buffett, you may have heard of him, says that he follows 3 general rules when it comes to deciding which companies to invest in. And I'll be breaking down those 3 general rules in this video. So if you just downloaded an investing app like Acorn, Robinhood, Trove, or Bamboo, and you want to invest in a few companies just like Warren Buffett, then keep watching this video. By the way, my name is Tito. I make videos on personal finance and investing every Wednesday, and I'd like you to take just 2 seconds and like this video by clicking on the like button. I would really appreciate it. And if you're into personal finance videos like this one, then please feel free to subscribe as well by clicking on the red subscribe button. If you've done both those things, bless your heart. Now let's get back to the Oracle of Omaha, Mr. Warren Buffett. Warren Buffett doesn't invest like you and me. While many people today choose their stocks based on a stock's potential to earn the most value in the shortest amount of time, Warren Buffett has always dug deeper than that. And as he said in a CNBC interview in 2020, he follows these 3 general rules when deciding which companies to invest in. Number 1, return on equity. Basically, return on equity is a measure for how effectively a company uses its assets to generate profit. And according to Warren Buffett, a company that has a good return on equity, not just back to back for the past 2 to 3 years, but more like back to back over the past, say, 5 to 10 years, is a good company and one that could be worth investing in. Now, as a side note, a company with a good ROE is a company that has at least 15% or more for any given year. Now, if you want to check out the return on equity for any company that you've invested in or that you want to invest in the future, all you need to do is go to www.macrotrends.net, then type in the name of the company you want to check out, select any of the options in the drop down, then when the page opens, select other ratios, then select ROE and scroll down, and you'll see the different quarterly returns on equity for that particular company. Number 2, management. Never want to discount the human element in the profitable and effective running of a company. Warren Buffett has often said that integrity amongst a company's managers is something that's also of great importance when deciding what kind of company you want to invest in. Companies that exhibit high levels of competence, knowledge, and integrity amongst the people who run the company is something also that's worth looking out for. Number 3, if the company is available at a sensible price. Warren Buffett tends to prefer companies that don't just have good fundamentals behind them, but ones that are also trading lower than they should be, thereby creating the opportunity to make good profits. He tends to like companies that are undervalued compared to their intrinsic value, and by looking at things like their corporate governance and their future earning potential, Buffett can actually estimate the potential for growth and profitability of a company. So guys, using Warren Buffett's 3 general rules, that's how you can pick your investments. Number 1, check out the return on equity. Number 2, check out the management team and their integrity. And then number 3, check out if the share price makes sense relative to the company's performance. If you enjoyed this video, guys, please do me a favor and click on the like button and like this video. I would really appreciate it. And if you're into videos like this on personal finance, then please click on the subscribe button as well. And if you do subscribe, remember to turn on notifications and set it to all so that you're notified every Wednesday when I release a new video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Take care.